Good morning children. Okay children, today I am going to teach you social studies life in the coastal regions and island. Okay. Yesterday I finished about Andhra Pradesh. Okay. Today we are going to know about Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu. We have already read about Tamil Nadu and its people in the previous chapter. The delta formed by the river Kaveri along the Coromandel coast is very fertile. It is called the rice bowl of Tamil Nadu. We already read about the Tamil Nadu in the previous chapters. Okay, how the peoples are living there and about the famous dress and about the famous festivals and about the famous dance. Okay, here is it is a place of delta river by the river Kaveri. Okay, you know already what is the delta. Delta is a way of to joining the river to sea. This way we call the delta. It is a place of delta by the river of Kaveri. It is the rice of a bowl of Tamil Nadu. Kanchipuram in the Tamil Nadu is famous for cotton and silk sarees. The Marina Beach in Chennai is the largest beach in India. Okay, Kanchipuram and in Tamil Nadu famous for cotton and silk sarees. Your mother will say wear silk sarees na and Kanchipuram sarees will wear na. This one will sarees will ready in Tamil Nadu. It is a famous in the Tamil Nadu, and the Marina Beach also famous. Not only Tamil Nadu, whole India it is a famous beach. In Chennai is there. Kanyakumari is in Tamil Nadu. Three water bodies, the Bay of Bengal, the Arabian Sea and the Indian Ocean meet here. The Vivekananda Rock Memorial has been built on a small island near the coast here. See here, in the southern part of India, I already explained, here is the Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. Here is the Bay of Bengal and here is the Indian Ocean. In Tamil Nadu, ಇದು ಮೂರು sea joint ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, this one is the Kanyakumari. Tamil Nadu ನಲ್ಲೇ ಕನ್ಯಾಕುಮಾರಿ ಇರೋದು. Okay, ಆ ಕನ್ಯಾಕುಮಾರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಮೂರು sea join ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Okay, then ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದ ರಾಕ್ ಮೆಮೋರಿಯಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಿಲ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಐಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ is the island. What is the island? Surrounded water, middle of land we call as island. This one is famous. Okay. Pondicherry is situated towards the south of Chennai. It is a union territory. It was once under the French rule. It is famous for the Aurobindo Ashram and Matri Mandir. Most people of the state speak Tamil. Some of them also speak French. See here, Pondicherry. Pondicherry is belongs to first before independence. It belongs to French. French is another country. So it belongs to French. Now it's converted to in Tamil Nadu. Here is the mother tongue is the French and Tamilian. And two ashrams is famous here. Aurobindo Ashram and Matri Mandir is a famous. Then come to Andaman and Nicobar Island. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are situated in the Bay of Bengal. Port Blair is the capital city of the state. Most of the island are covered with thick forest. People of this island live in their old traditional way. Paddy, rice, maize, coconut and rubber are the main crops. Andaman and Nicobar is an island. We already teached you in the previous class. 300 islands will join to Andaman and Nicobar. It is the island. It is which is the capital city of Andaman and Nicobar? Blair. Port Blair is the capital city of Andaman and Nicobar Island. Iಲ್ಲಿನ people ಬೇರೆ ನಮ್ಮದು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ತಮಿಳ್ನಾಡು ದೆನ್ ಕೇರಳ ಅದರ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿನ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಮಾಡರ್ನ್ ಆಗಿ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪೀಪಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬೆಳೀತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸಿಟಿ ಪೀಪಲ್ಸ್ ಥರ ಅವರು ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ದೆನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಹಿಯರ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಎ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದೇ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್. ಅಂಡಮಾನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ನಿಕೋಬಾರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಥಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ. ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ಕ್ರಾಪ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗ್ರೋನ್ ಪ್ಯಾಡಿ, ರೈಸ್, ಮೇಸ್, ಕೋಕೋನಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರಬ್ಬರ್ are the main crops here. Barren Island, the only active volcano in South Asia, is located here. The cellular jail in Port Blair is very famous. Our freedom fighters were imprisoned in this jail. It is now a national monument. Here is in the Blair ನಲ್ಲಿ cellular jail ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಅದು ತುಂಬಾ ಅತಿ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಜೈಲ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ಫೈಟರ್ಸ್ ಫೈಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಲ್ವಾ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಪನಿಷ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಜೈಲ್ನಲ್ಲೇ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ಇಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಮೊದಲು. ದೆನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ಅನದರ್ ಮಾನ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಅದು ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಸಿಲ್ವರ್ ಜೈಲ್ಸ್. ಇದು ಮಾನ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. Come to Lakshadweep Island. Lakshadweep is close to the Malabar coast of India. In the Arabian Sea, it is the smallest union territory of India. Kavaratti is the capital city of the state. Fishing is the main occupation of people. Coconut is the main crops. Most people of the state speak Malayalam. The beautiful beach and an aquarium cum museum at Kavaratti are famous tourist resorts. Lakshadweep Island is another famous island. It's converted to 33 islands. ಸೇರಿ ಒಂದು ಐಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಸಿಟಿ ಕಾವರತ್ತಿ ಅಂತ. ಕಾವರತ್ತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋಕೋನಟ್ ಮೇನ್ ಕ್ರಾಪ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋಕೋನಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬೆಳೆಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಹಿಯರ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ಮಲಯಾಳಂ ಅಂಡ್ ಬೀಚಸ್ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಫೇಮಸ್. ದೆನ್ ಅಕ್ವೇರಿಯಂ ಕಮ್ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಯಂ. ಅಕ್ವೇರಿಯಂ ಅನ್ನು ಕಮ್ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಯಂ ತರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಕ್ವೇರಿಯಂ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಫಿಶಿಂಗ್ ಇರ್ತಾರಲ್ವ ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ, ದಟ್ಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಅಕ್ವೇರಿಯಂ. ಅದು ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಯಂ ತರ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಟೂರಿಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಆ ಒಂದು ಕಾವರತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಲೆಸನ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಿನಿಶ್. ನೌ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಯು ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೆಸನ್. ಓಕೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, A main is there, B main is there. I'll send you photocopy, you write down in your classwork, and C main. Fill in the blanks with the suitable words given below. The diamond cutting industries is famous in Gujarat. Dash is famous for Alphonsus mangoes, Ratnagiri. You already know this one. Amul is a famous dash product, dairy product. A large number of people of Kerala are engaged in dash industries. Barren Dash is located in the Andaman and Nicobar Island. Barren Island. Okay. Write T for true and F for false statement. Gandhinagar is the largest city of Andhra Pradesh. No, it is largest city of Gujarat. It's false. Large deposit of petroleum have been found in the seabed near Mumbai. Yes, it's true. Farming is an important industry in Goa. No, it's false. The Marina Mania beach is a famous beach in Kerala. No, it's false. It is a famous in Tamil Nadu. Marina beach. Most people of Kerala speak Tamil. No, Malayalam they will speak. It is also false. Multiple choice question, MCQS. Take the correct options. Which of the following is not covered by the coastal regions? Gujarat. Okay. The Sabarmati Ashram is related to Mahatma Gandhi. Fort Aguda is situated in Goa. Tiruvenkatapuram is the capital city of Kerala. Okay, this much is finished. I'll send you photo.